In this video, we know about clinical features and complications of Symblepharon. What are the clinical features of Symblepharon? 1. Difficulty in lid movements. This happens because the adhesions between the conjunctiva restrict the normal sliding motion of the eyelids, making them less flexible and functional. 2. Diplopia or double vision. Patients may experience diplopia or double vision due to restricted ocular motility. The adhesions limit the free movement of the eyeball, causing misalignment and difficulty in focusing on a single image. 3. Lagophthalmos. Lagophthalmos is the inability to close the eyelids completely. This occurs when adhesions prevent the lids from sealing shut, leaving the eye exposed even during sleep. 4. Cosmetic disfigurement. The adhesions can alter the normal contour and symmetry of the eye, impacting the patient's appearance and self-esteem. What are the complications of Symblepharon? 1. Dryness of the eye. The inability to close the lids fully leads to inadequate tear distribution, leaving the eye vulnerable to dryness. 2. Thickening and keratinization. With prolonged exposure, the conjunctiva undergoes thickening and keratinization. This transformation reduces its protective and lubricating functions, further aggravating discomfort and dryness. 3. Exposure keratitis. Symblepharon lead to unable to close the eye completely that expose the cornea. The exposed cornea becomes prone to irritation and infection, leading to painful corneal ulcer or exposure keratitis. Subscribe Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.